Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be reviewing the TP-Link AC600. So it's a high gain wireless dual band USB adapter. So as you guys can see, it can support both 2.4 GHz network and the 5 GHz network. Also here you can see that the regular adapters are less capable than the Archer T2U Plus, and the antenna is 180-degree reversible in this one. So I'll be comparing the D-Link 2.4 GHz adapter with this one. So let's see the difference. Also I'm gonna be answering your question, which is, should you be buying this? Should you be buying the AC600? So let's get started. Let's start unboxing this. Also guys, there's a 3-year warranty on this product, so you can claim it through their website. Basically the contents of the box is just the adapter, a CD and a manual. There's nothing much to see here. So we'll plug it on my PC and see what's the difference, how it works. So as you guys can see, it has a sturdy design, looks quite good, and also it's a high band receiver, so it must be capable of doing all the packet injections in Cali. Like, it must be capable of handling all the packet injections, all the basic Cali functions. But I'll be using this one for gaming for sure. So let's see the difference between this one and the D-Link TWT 2.4 GHz adapter. It's taking me a while to uncover this. Okay, never mind, I figured it out. There we go. This is it guys. Looks cool. Nice build quality. And you can also see that it's basically, the antenna is as long as my palm. So let's try putting it on my PC and see what's the difference. I'll basically put it on the top of my PCs so that it's able to basically catch all the wireless networks in the area. Also there's this blinking light thing that they have given, which shows the status of the device, if it's connected or not. So as you guys can see, all the 5G networks in my area are now visible, which were previously not visible. So I'll enter the code and let's see the difference. Also you can see the connectivity is full. I mean, if you were using the 2.4 GHz D-Link adapter and you keep it on some distance, it doesn't get full connectivity. But this one, look at the speed, like it's almost utilizing 100 Mbps. My room is quite far from my router, so this is the best option for me, because setting up a wire in the middle of my house is not possible. So I've chosen this instead of a LAN wire, and it's quite a good option. Also guys, I'll be showing you how the D-Link DWA131 works. It's basically 2.4 GHz adapter. So let's see how it works on the same network guys, the same router. It's a dual band router, so it's hosting both the networks. As you can see, it doesn't go beyond 30 Mbps in this one. Basically it's capping the speed of my internet, so this is a huge upgrade guys. So should you buy this? Definitely guys, just go for it. It's a great option. I think the best in this price range, because there's the other one which is, I guess it's named as Alpha, and it's very expensive, almost 4,000 rupees. I think this is the best alternative there. So guys, I'll sum up. This is the TP-Link one, T2U Archer, and the other one is the D-Link one, which I'd not suggest you guys to buy because it's just 500 more. I mean, for 500 rupees you are getting such an upgrade. You are able to basically connect 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz both. So I'd say you should definitely go for the AC600 high band adapter.